Good night. My name is Natalia Delgado. I am 30 years old. I am studying psychology. Today I will prepare mango dessert recipe. Ingredients: 200 grams of milk cream, 395 grams sweetened condensed milk, 4 mangoes, 4 envelopes of non-flavored gelatin, juice of lemons. Preparation: start with the mangoes. Chopping them in small pieces, leave some pieces of mango in a container and the rest place in the blender. After blending, add the milk cream, then condensed milk, then unflavored gelatin sackets and the lemon juice, and mix it again. Afterwards, when everything is completely blended, we place it in a container. 10. Refrigerate 25 to 30 minutes or until firm. Finally, take it off and decorate with mango pieces. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.